what were your first steps? Like, what did you do? Like from when you took over, you knew going into this, you were coming in trying to basically turn this thing around or increase business. So what steps did you take? What did you do? And did they work?
Yeah, I think the first steps that I took were like just try to keep your head above water. I mean, it was, sink or swim type of thing. So I was just trying to figure out the day to days, like, hey, are the doors going to lock when I close them? Are they going to open when in the morning when they're supposed to? And um, we got to keep this place clean. I wasn't. It needed a lot of renovation type of stuff, and that was maybe one of my specialties because I have that background to be able to do that. But I didn't have the resources. I didn't have any money. I think all my money was tied up in like the utility company wanted 2 months of deposit. The rental company wanted 2 months of deposit, and it was like you just like before you're handing out cash left and right to
Yeah.
like get this thing going. And I was like, well, where am I going to come up with money to redo the floors or repaint the walls and stuff? So that's where it became difficult. But I think the first 2 weeks was literally just figuring out the operations, day-to-day operations, and just going with the flow, dealing with the customers, learning how they work, trying to please them, make sure they're coming back. That's the biggest thing when you have any type of store is, are people coming in the door and are they coming back?
That's super succinct, but that is like the key, right? Like if you had to
Yeah.
distill it down as like, are people coming in and are they coming back? And how do I get people in and how do I get them to come back? Like that is the
Right.
key to business right there.